Hey there, welcome back to our channel. Today, I'm going to show you how to change clothes using Adobe Firefly, and the best part is, it's absolutely free. Let's dive right in. First, open up Chrome and search for Adobe Firefly. Click on the first link that appears. Once you're on the Adobe Firefly page, choose the option to create with Firefly. Now, upload the image of yourself or whoever you want to change clothes for. Now, it's time to get rid of the part of the clothing you want to change. Use the eraser tool to erase the area, like a shirt or a top. Next, describe the new clothing you want to generate. For example, you can write jacket. Click on the Generate button and give it a minute for Adobe Firefly to work its magic. Once the image is generated, check the result to see if it matches your expectations. If you want to explore more options, click on More Results. Choose the image you like, click Keep, and then proceed to download it. Click on the Download button and wait for the image to be processed. Finally, download the image and make sure to check the quality of the clothing change. And there you have it. That's how you can change clothes with Adobe Firefly for free. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tutorials like this. Thanks for watching.